everyone, it's Ivy. Today we're going to be doing a hair review and also testing a new Lacewig glue that I'm just now finding out about. But first I'm going to show you guys the hair I'm using, and this is from MsBuy. This is their 13 by 6 deep part lace front wig, and as you guys can see in there, it has a really deep parting space. I really love this because it allows you to create a lot more styles and it just looks better. I really love the deep parting. It looks better on my head. Inside of the wig, it comes with 3 combs and also adjustable bands, and this is tracks in the back, but this wig is so full. Stress how important it is to make sure you have all of your baby hairs gelled back. I super gelled mine because you don't want any of your hair out when you're doing a glued lace front. So now I'm going to go ahead and sit the wig on my head, and as you can see, the lace matches me pretty well, and the hairline already came really realistic looking. Like, it looks super good. So the next thing you want to go ahead and do is cut your lace off, and you can cut your lace depending on how your hairline is, and this is how I did mine. And a new technique I'm going to do is actually plucking my unit while it's on my head. This really helped me customize this so it matches perfectly. This way is pretty error proof. So as you guys can see, it matched up pretty good after I was done plucking. And this wig just lays super nice. So now I'm going to take some alcohol and clean off my forehead. This step is really important. If you don't clean your forehead with alcohol, the glue won't work correctly. And I'm using the Bold Hold lace glue. I got the lace glue and the tape, but I ended up not using the tape in this tutorial because I really don't know how to use it yet. So I'm just going to go in and apply that glue. I'm going to do small dots, you guys. Small dots, and I'm doing this in front of my hairline. You don't want to get any of this glue on your hairline because that can snatch your edges clean. So be sure to apply your glue in front of your hairline, and I'm not gluing mine all the way around, just in the front. And now I'm using a stick to go ahead and spread that thin. And you want to wait for it to dry before you add your second layer. And one thing I noticed about this glue opposed to other glues, it dries down really fast. Like, I didn't edit that. It dries literally in 1 minute. So I'm going in to apply the second layer. I only used 2 layers because I just needed a mild hold. I didn't use a super hold. So now I'm going in and spreading that out as well. Now once that has dried clear, you want to go in and apply your lace wig. Now you want to do this right where the glue is. You want to apply the lace right at the edge of the glue, and you guys are seeing me do that right here. And I start with one part and then I do the other parts, and that's just easiest for me. And once I have it down, I just go in with my fingers and kind of press it in, and then I use my fingers to rub it in circles. And what this does is create like a natural, realistic look. It helps hairs lay down, and just, you know, it gives you a flawless finish. So this is what that looked like when I was done applying the glue, and that glue was on there, you guys. It was stuck down immediately. So I did my baby hairs, which was really easy, as you guys know. I went ahead and co-washed the hair, and this was the final look. Let me tell you, this hair is so soft, so pretty. It's not thin, and it's super affordable. I think this unit will cost you about $130. I had an inch 20, I believe, or inch 18, and everything just melted together so seamlessly. I was in love, and I wore this unit for a whole 2 weeks, and my glue stayed. Now, I'm not a huge sweater, you guys, so take that into account. But this wig stayed tacked down until I took it off. That Bold Hold glue is by far one of the best glues I've ever tried. Removing it was super easy. I just sprayed alcohol into the lace and massaged it, and it lifted right off. And the hair was really easy to manage. It's soft. I just put it in a pineapple at night, and I was just so surprised by this hair. I was just surprised by all of it. Like, this was a very, very pleasant experience. So if you guys are interested in this hair or interested in trying out the Bold Hold Lacewig glue, all the links and information will be down below. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to thumb it up, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.